This no residue smartphone sticker keeps visitors from taking pictures. Let me show you how it works. First, check both the front and back cameras of visitors' phones to make sure they're working properly. Next, put one sticker on each camera, front and back. Then, when we tested them, the cameras were completely covered. No photos could get through. Finally, when the visitor leaves, we can check if the security sticker is damaged. If it's tampered with, the void open text will show up. That means they might have snuck photos. If it's still intact, we'll peel it off for them, and there'll be zero residue left on their phone. Keeps everything clean.
Keep the pocket safe. Protect your valuables.